Here is a simple way how to change wallpaper on your macOS system. Let me show you how to do it. Open up your system settings in the dock or just instead your cursor at the top left corner and click on this Apple icon, and in the drop-down menu click on System Settings. And once you're here, scroll down and look for wallpaper. Okay, once you're here, you can see dynamic wallpaper, like and dark wallpapers, and picture, and of course solid color. For example, I can click on this color, and as you can see, my wallpaper is changed. And of course, I can click on dynamic wallpapers section, for example, show all, and choose this wallpaper and click on this cloud, and this wallpaper will be downloading. Now just wait a couple of seconds, and then you can see wallpaper is changed, and it's awesome. And here I can choose dynamic, light or dark. Dynamic is changed and light is light version of this wallpaper, or dark version of this wallpaper. That's it. I hope it helps. Come watch this new video or this playlist about MacBook.